How to log out of Gmail account on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can log out of Gmail account on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to log out of your Gmail account or the Gmail app on your iPhone, there are two choices that you can do. First of all, you can open the Gmail app where you were signed in, tap the Google profile from the top right and go to manage accounts on this device section, where you can simply choose to turn off that particular email from the Gmail app without removing the email or the Gmail from your whole iPhone itself. But if you want to remove from your whole iPhone itself as well, you can tap the remove from this device option. If you only want to remove them from the Gmail app, you can simply turn off the toggle like this to not show it up in the Gmail app itself. So two choices. If you'd like to remove them from your device, that's also perfectly fine if you want that. So hope this video helped you as to how you can go and log out of Gmail account on iPhone. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.